Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today we're going to go over 5 different partner drills that you can do with chest guards. Now let's get started. This first drill is really simple. All you're going to do is start in a closed stance with your partner, and all you guys are going to do is just exchange fast kicks back and forth. So it's going to look like this. Fast kick, slide back, other person goes. Just nice and easy, back and forth, just like this. Once you get the hang of it, you can kind of speed it up a little bit. That's kind of the gist of the drill. All I want you to do that with your left leg, do that with your right leg, 20 times each side. Do this for like 2 to 3 sets. This second drill is going to be a little bit more kicks. All we're going to start off with, you're going to start with your back leg. You're going to do a roundhouse, hop, roundhouse, and then from there, you're going to start with that same back leg and do a double kick. All right, and then the other person's going to go. It goes round, hop, round, double kick. All right, you're just going to go back and forth. What I want you to do, start with your right leg back, do this whole sequence like 5 times each person, and then switch to your left leg back. Same thing, 5 times each sequence. Do this one about 2 times. This next drill, what you're going to do is a front leg roundhouse kick into a axe kick with that same leg. And you're not going to hit the axe kick, just kind of just go over the shoulder. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to be here, round, axe, round, axe, round, axe. You're going to go continuously. You're going to do that 10 times with your right leg, 10 times with your left leg, switch with your partner, do a total of 3 sets. This next drill, we're going to be practicing defenses to a cut kick. So all you're going to do with your partner, you're going to be in an open stance this time. The attacker is going to do a slow attacking cut kick. They're going to do it 3 separate times, and you're going to do 3 different counters to it. The first one's going to be a punch. So he's going to come with a cut kick. I'm going to parry the leg, come in, practice the punch. The second one, you're going to kind of parry the leg and do a roundhouse kick underneath like that. And then the third one, you're going to do the same thing, but front leg is going to do a hook kick to the body. So once again, it looks like this. He's going to go now. I'm going to do a cut kick. He's going to punch over top, and then he's going to do a roundhouse underneath, and then the last one is a hook kick to the body. Just like that. You're going to go back and forth with your partner. Do this one about 10 times. It's a little bit slower paced drill. Focus a little bit more on those counters. And this last drill, we're still going to be focusing on that defensive, that counter motion. So all you're going to do is, starting with your partner, you're going to be in an open stance this time. The attacker is going to come forward with 2 roundhouse kicks, and then the counter person is going to do a slide back roundhouse kick. So you're only countering that last attacking roundhouse. So it's going to look like this. Slide, slide, counter. And then now I'm going to attack. 1, 2, and counter. All you're going to do, go back and forth with your partner. Make sure you guys each do this 10 times each leg for a total of 3 sets. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to train with me online in a group class or a one-on-one session, visit alexwongtkd.com for more details. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later.